All right, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about a project I want to work on here. I was reviewing my water bill and I put in an irrigation system, sprinkler system last October of 2024, and I wanted to take a look at my water usage and what I paid for it over the last year. And it looks like my payments are up $1,300 over the previous year. So it's $100. And what I'm thinking about is installing a rainwater harvesting system and maybe a Greywater pump to take care of the washing machine. But you can see this roof behind me up here, and that could collect a lot of water. And so what I want to do is I'll walk you over here, but I'm going to think about doing a rain barrel to harvest the water coming from that gutter you see right over my head. And effectively I could take out at least one zone in the backyard. So that should be able to cut my water bill by 1/6. And then I've got a couple other areas where I think it'd be interesting to see what we could do. But let me show you exactly what the project would look like. Here's the roof line, here's the gutter, here's what we would be collecting right here. And it would work out pretty good because here is the gutter coming down right here. You can see the dryer vent. So right behind that vent is where the washer and dryer are. So I could run an aqua to use system right from there. I could probably put it at the bottom of the house right here. And what I'd really like to do is to utilize this downspout right here and get some sort of rain barrel right here that I could feed the gray water and this water into, and then pump it. The ivy certainly doesn't need any water, but look at this line of bushes, plants, etc., that we could run a drip line all the way from this holly all the way down to that fence you see right down there. That is one complete zone. So that would cut my water bill by 1/6 if the rain barrel, rain harvesting, and the gray water were sufficient. Then over here, again, I've got this bed of plants and ferns, rhododendrons right here. Got another downspout coming here. And really, as you can see, the water just goes straight out into the woods. And then there's opportunities over here too. So this is the scope of the project. This is kind of phase 1. And now it'll be really just looking at equipment, applications, and installation, and then kind of seeing if it's worth going through all these efforts.